Hello everyone, my channel is a solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 134 Laravel 11 product add to cart functionality example, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gems are already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP. My admin successfully working fine, and this is real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name, and this is my project is available. This my project gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project directory inside this cmd open means command prompt open this directory. Let's run php artisan server. PHP artisan server successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working. Let's step by step implementation. New product cart list. First of all, this is a HTML implementation. This is a project directory inside. Let's first route is a create. Route inside this web.php open. This file is open. Let's font is a small, and this is a new product cart step by step implementation. Product cart start and product cart end. Successfully working fine. Route route get. This is a route get is a, and this is a implementation product cart. This is a route is a implementation product cart, and this is a already available controller. Same here. Scroll down, scroll up, and this is a controller is already created. The same here controller copy, and this paste here. Let's class, and inside this is a index function is a create. Let's save file, and this is a controller is open. Inside the same here this function is a copy, and this controller is already create. Please check this previous video. All previous videos check, and this is the HTTP controller, and this is a product cart controller. This is a controller is a open, successfully open. This is a inside this is admin all implementation, and this front end side is a view. Let's new public function paste here. Sorry, this is a index function is a paste here. This copy, same here copy, and inside this paste here, and let's echo, and this is www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a die. Let's save file and check this. This is a URL is a copy, product card copy, and slash successfully working fine. This is a my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This is official website 24/7 is a anytime contact. WhatsApp, Telegram, Skype always available. Your mind is a doubt, I am clearing. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link. This is a remove. This is so good working. This save file, and this remove index file return view inside this is a new folder is a create. Folder name is a product cart folder. Product cart folder. First of all, this is a same copy. This is a copy inside this first. This is resource inside view inside this folder is a create new folder. Successfully this is a folder is a create. This is a folder is a blank. Let's dot products. This products name copy. This is a name is a copy, and this is a new file is a create new blade.php. Successfully create. This is a file is a create. Let's hello, save file, hello, and this is save file, and refresh this page. Good. Why not a show? Let's refresh this again page, not a show. Let's save file. This is a file is a not a save. This file is a not save and refresh this page successfully. Hello is a show. Why not? This is a my missing. This is a my missing. Please write down save file and this refresh this page. This is a successfully hello good working. This is a hello show. Let's word save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a URL is a good working. This is a name is a same name is a route is a create. This is a route, same name is a route is a create. Inside this is a create and this is a file is a created. Let's blank and this is a blank. Good working. This is a blank. Successfully set. This blank file inside this is a blank page. Let's step by step implementation HTML. This is a HTML is a implementation. Let's first of all this is HTML start HTML. This is a start good working. Let's Laravel. This is the title is a Laravel 11 add to cart function my official website errorsolution code.com. Save file and this is the title is a implementation and this is the title is a implementation. Let's refresh this page successfully. This is the title is a working fine. This is a good this title. Let's first of all inside this is a live cnd file is a implementation. First of all this bootstrap css file is a implementation. This is a good working. This bootstrap css file is a implementation. Next file is a js file is a implementation. Next file is a implementation. This is a js file. Please step by step write down. This is a js file. Please write down. This is a link and the script. Next is the implementation. Means js means font file is a implementation. This is a font file. Save file. This is a font file. Next is a js jQuery means file is a implementation. This is jQuery file. And last file is a implementation. Poppers means js file. This is a all file is a included. Otherwise cart is a not a working. Please write down. This is a step by step all file is a write down. Let's refresh this page as it is a working not a issue as it is a working fine. This is a not available. This is a body tag is a not available. This otherwise very good show. Let's div is a container is a create. This is a div oh my god div class container means same name is a container implementation container and this is a one number is a div class name is a row navbar light padding and this is the all implementation. This write down this class. Inside this again div create div class call lg g10 and this is a s3 class mt2 and this is a title is the implementation. Same here this title is same here copy and paste here. This is a title is a paste here and refresh this page. Please write down refresh this page successfully available. This is a good working. This is a fine good working. Let's next is again this HTML is implementation. This is a div is a create. This is a div class is a call md and this is a section is a paste here. This is a successfully set. Let's div again this class is a drop down. This is a drop down is a implementation drop down, and this is a drop down inside. This is a drop down, and this is a class is a style. This is a style drop down. Style is a implementation, otherwise not drop down working good. And this is a style is a implementation drop down style. Please write down this is a style. This class style is a write down, all good. Next is implementation. Button is a implementation. This is only button implementation. Please write down this button is a close this. Successfully this is a drop down, and toggle menu is a implementation, and this is all implementation style. This button inside this style is a implementation drop down menu. Please write down this is a drop down menu is a write down. Next is a last CSS. Same here, inside this write down. All set, save file. Please write down this step by step file is a write down. Let's inside this button, inside this is a one implementation I tag. I tag means cart is a implementation. Let's this cart again this palm is a implementation. Is a number is a set. This cart number is a span is a close this. Inside this is a cart, and this is a 0 1 1 1. Let's save file, and this is a save file and refresh this page. Good working. Inside this is a number is a set. This is a drop down is a successfully implementation. This is a good, all good is a working fine. Please write down only HTML temp. This is a only HTML template. Please write down. Next is a button is a close this button. Inside this one div is a create. Div name is a this is a div drop down menu. This is a drop down menu. Inside this already implementation, and this is a close this drop down menu. Save file, and this drop down menu in this first of all first div is a create total header set. This is a total header, and this is a set. Save file. Please write down, and this is a div is a create. This is the next div is a create. Save file, and this I tag is a complete working fine. This is a I tag. This I inside this again this span tag is a implementation. This is the implementation save file. Otherwise 22 is a implementation 22. This is a good. This is a all good, and this is a div is a inside. This is a close. Next div is a session cart is a implementation. The same here inside. This is a first menu. Second is this menu. This div is a create. Please write down this div. Inside this image is a set. This is a image is a set. This directory inside. This image img implementation. In this class is implementation img f field. This is a implementation. And this is a item name is a implementation. Div close, and this is an first of all this p tag is a start. P tag inside this class mb0, and this is a name. Next is a price. Span tag is a price is a set. And this close this. Price dollar 1 to 2, and this is a br tag implementation, br tag. Next, same here, copy, otherwise this new create quantity 1 2 3, any quantity is a implementation. This is a tag is a close pan, and this is a quantity is a implementation. This is a only HTML set, not a dynamic. This is a quantity is a implementation. Please write down, this is a div is a close this. This first div is a second div, and this div is a close, and this is a last button is a implementation div. Div is a create div and close this div. Inside this a tag is a set a tag, and this is a tag means get method is a implementation, and this is a class btn info view all, and this is a sref successfully all set. This is a last is a this is a all div is a created, good working, successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and click this drop down, successfully available. This is a drop down is a working fine, but this image is not available. Let's image is a set. This is the image is a set is a image is already available, and this is the image product inside. This is a product and list, and this is only a set. Let's spelling check. This is a set. The same here, copy, this is not use, copy inside this, paste here. This is a remove, and this is a static image is a set. Any image this remove, not use dynamic, only static image set. This is product public inside. This is available folder name is a product folder inside. This is image is available, otherwise this image, and the same name is a copy. This name is a copy and paste here, and this is an image is a show. Let's refresh this page, successfully image is a show, good working. This is a cart, view cart is not available, only simple way. This is a cart is a implementation. Please write down, this is a image, this is a product folder, public inside this product folder, and this is a name is a implementation, and this is image show. Please write down, first of all, this is a URL is a create, this URL is a inside this implementation, and the product controller inside this function is a create, this function inside this file is a create product, and this product file. Please write down step by step this file, and this is the only HTML create. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Next part is a view card. This next part is implementation view all. Thank you.